We have 300 Lego blocks. Hello guys, today we are going to build a Lego car, and not just any Lego car. This one is so amazing that even Lego would look at it and say, wait, we didn't sell that. I bought all these Lego blocks for $50. So yeah, my wallet is crying, but my creativity is thriving. And today we're going to build a Lego car that you literally cannot find in the Lego store. Custom build, 1 of 1, limited edition. All right, let's start. First things first, we're building the chassis. Why? Because the chassis is the strongest part of the car. Just like in a real car, everything depends on it. If the chassis fails, the whole car becomes modern art. This chassis is going to hold everything. The windows, the tires, the body, and probably my dreams too. We're building this thing strong, solid, and Lego approved. Well, hopefully. Our bumper is ready. Now we're building the engine, the most important part of the car, because without an engine, this is just Lego taking a nap. This engine gives our car speed, power, and pure imagination horsepower. We're building it strong, clean, and fast looking, because if it looks fast, it is fast. Look, our engine is running fine. Our engine is ready now. We are just tiring it out. Our tires are quite big, so the car will be very easy to drive. Right now, we are building a chair so that we can sit and drive the car easily. Right now, we are building the bonnet of the car, and we are going to give it a good finishing. And how will we make it so that it works in real life? It can also open. Oh my God, friends, I forgot to build the steering. Come on, how can we drive the car without steering? Right now, I am building this steering. Our steering is built, let's assemble it. Now that the main body of our vehicle is built, we need to edit the front bonnet and the rear part that covers the engine.